since it's my birthday and we are in quarantine, I thought to myself, what's better than to celebrate my birthday with a video? And also I've made myself a cake. I mean, at least I attempted to do. That's my cake. This is pink, okay? Yes, I know you can't see, but it is pink. It's a princess cake, as I would like to call. Let me change the lighting maybe, then you can see. There are so many coconut stuff on this, and it's going everywhere. Anyways, can you see it now? No, why? It is pastel pink, okay? I am scared that this will fall down, so I am trying to show you the best way I can. I mean, I will probably put a photo of it right here so you can see it better. It is a pastel pink princess cake. I didn't taste this yet, and I will probably edit this video after trying. And yeah, there is coconut things on top, and inside there is banana. And for today, I wanted to match my makeup with my birthday cake and also my clothes, as you can see. So we are doing the world's pinkest makeup. It will be glittery, it will be pink, so like all the makeups that I do, kinda. By the way, this place is so hot that I am sweating in this, but I just wanted to wear something pink, and I look cute with this. Okay, I will take the cake back to fridge and then take all of these out and be right back. I did my foundation and also primed my eyelids because you don't have to see that for 100 times. And yeah, I guess we are ready to start with eyeshadow. I was about to say eyeliner. I'm at the age where my collagen production starts to slow down, which is a great news. I am getting this color for the crease shade. Do you think birthdays are important? I mean, I am not someone who cares about birthdays, especially when people just see your birthday on the internet and decides to celebrate, even though you don't speak for like 1 or 2 years. To me, that sounds so fake, and probably that's the thing that makes me feel like I don't want anyone to celebrate my birthday, because I know that those are not sincere. Also, about the gift stuff, I want to speak about that. I mean, since people tend to give you gifts when it's your birthday. Like, I am someone who likes to give people gifts, and I tend to listen what they say and what they like, and not ask like when their birthday comes, what do you want me to get for you? Because then it's not a gift in my opinion. I don't like when someone like says, I don't know what to get for you, so tell me what do you want, kinda. And I try to not do that when it comes to other people's birthdays. I don't know, to me it sucks out the whole being like excited for a gift, because then you know what you will get. And also I feel like getting something to a person that they never mentioned to you is something that shows them that you are caring about them, kinda. So does this sound weird to you? Because I don't know, I make such a big deal out of this. Like, I would prefer people to listen what I say in the rest of the year, take notes, and then give me something, because that's what a gift means, doesn't it? I will use this color for the outer corner and then go with this shimmer, of course. I hope these colors will match. I don't think so, because one of them has a warm undertone and the other one has a cool. Doesn't even show up, which is great. Let me put on this shimmer color. Damn. So here's the thing, I don't know how to continue when I use glitter in the middle part. Ooh, look at this, just look at this. The glitters, the shine. I guess I will just continue until the inner corner. I feel like adding glitter on the lower lash line would be too much, so I will just go with a matte, boring color. Okay, so I will do this eye and also probably my eyeliner and be right back. As you can see, I already did a smaller eyeliner, and also during that time a glitter particle went right inside my eye and it hurt like, oh, I was about to make myself blind as a birthday gift, which was great. That scared me a little, I can't lie, and I still feel a little bit something in there, like it poked right through my eye and it hurt, okay? Like really, my eye still waters. I probably shouldn't play with glitter in a day like this because I'm kind of scared now. But at the same time, it looks so pretty. I don't know what to do with these glitters. Anyways, other than the eyeliner, I also tight lined my lower lash line with a brown pencil. Overall, I like how my eyes look. I like the shine. I can do this. Other than that, it doesn't show up. I will apply some concealer because I feel like it. Since I am not going out, I can use the one that I don't like because it won't show up in the photos too much, I guess. Can I eat my cake, please? I feel like I need to apply a little bit more with this concealer. Oh, I feel like my eyeshadow is going too high up instead of going a little bit like this, but it's pink, so it's fine. I would expect this concealer to be less creasy than the other like matte formulation, but this one creases more than the other, what was the name? No Filter concealer, yeah, that creases less. I don't like this concealer at all. I need to do a pen project to be able to use all these stuff that I won't get again. It was always in my mind to do a pen project, but at the same time, I am not going out or do any makeups other than these videos, so I don't feel like I will have like enough time to finish those products, if that makes sense. I don't know, maybe the project pen can be motivating to use these products, but at the same time, if I do a pen project, I feel like I need to use those products in all of my videos, which would make it less different from each other. I guess I should probably do makeup looks in my free time, which is something I do, but not all the time. And when I do makeup freely, I want to enjoy the products that I use, so I don't want to use the things that I don't like, if that makes sense. But at the same time, I don't want to spend the products that I like. I'm always in a dilemma. My eyes are way too hooded today. Like, look, can you see? Some days I have more hooded eyes, some days I don't. So, can you like see? This is just how I stay right now. That's normal, without any facial expression. And it doesn't even show up. Something that I find helpful, like go like this, go like that, open your eyes. That didn't work for some. No, it does work, see? I mean, no, wait. Go up, right down. Yeah, it does work. Yeah, I can see more glitter right now. Yeah, going like this, looking down, and then looking up, this works. Hooded eye problems. We will do a little bit of bronzing. Ooh, that went straight. Way too straight. So, since we are doing a pink look, I need to go with a pink bronzer. No, blush. And I will do my cute little anime look. Ew, why did I talk like that? No. me complaining about my nose looking pink and then applying pink blush on top of it. Makes sense, right? A little bit on the chin. I feel like adding a little bit of shimmer on my lips, but at the same time that will be too much, and I feel like that can f with the makeup. This smells so good, by the way. Did you ever smell these? This Fenty Beauty lip glosses? I don't know. I will decide that when I put my wig on. And what do you think? Wait. Okay, now it's better. So you can see the head too. I don't know what to wish for. I mean, by the way, I am fine with celebrating my birthday alone, and also this is the first time that I make this much effort for a birthday time, and that's probably because I'm alone. So I never did a celebration like this when I am celebrating my birthday with my friends, which means I'm totally fine with celebrating my birthday alone. It's just a birthday, the day that I came out from my mom's wound. That sounds wrong. I'm gonna go and enjoy my cake now. Bye. I am coming out from the cake. No, that sounds weird. Lower lash line. I don't drink.